wiki yanga yosindira murawa aingumira wamangala kudi wautotakadza dziking
ile bora ba
ile vlog lo
wangu ndile vlog
video elo shumesi oshumiwa bala betu hard work for efforts
mtu kawo gonyesero mo
but roba gudiza AR ku your right business uri okutozobdabadab
so the beef ningo beef ona nantu ne ndaga diro dura
the
zangu
network here is trash just
Isha
so
Buti.
I say
ni sino
why are my videos not uploading
cause ana network
what the fuck is wrong with this place
all right yako on the network
get
blind
me out of here
ncharwampo hey
yes we can thank you
uploada
vamudzandi kudumu wangu uyu wa meeting wateni ndomubudza nga phone uti
Romachero.
azvika email kudozviyangwa kutodzwa ndotonibudzwa ndidorovidzwa ndarofunga ndikohombokiwa ndichividziwa ngatene reception
ndo machero meeting wa damn
hadzikouyavo vatu rikuishumilavo vatu cheredio ndizvori you know when I grow up
askoningisa rumwe
hazvikonengi ndizvikotoma mboravo toamba ngo
watozvilichayo utorifu watonga mara boy oh yeah man I got me yeah 5:05 5:06 out
half past home
that's the
Got 22 shower mtu ndondo wabavhu
Jimu.
ona msi mara ndosvika 6 again go uti ngori ifananga 6
remember arikotiyopira duba
no mara anitiyopira you know going to the gym every day ndizvona si healthy you need to give your body space you chibinga chori muscles ite whatever you can't go
dzite dzichiresta
hezvila ndi vathu vanokunya kutodhibura vathu vava chipotogimera stress ndobva chikundwa
let me see
it's like a little rash
chami ndicha gym
anyway ndipati kutojimanga ndichikuwana pasi ndichivua
what do you do at the gym
I starting a cardio for like 20 minutes and then depending kore ndikuita upper body kana lower body then yeah
niaita gym lori naita upper body nangu andoronga legere la tambo
I think zvita zvakavarukana
really
okay
mara
because already but zana ani mbudzi legini yotorera mpoto limene badi every day nakabokati ukurotora mngana I have ndina dzavege
iningori ni abuba
ndambara roko ndivandambara mugusha
damn
auna chance
azuri ni abuba
mara yeah okay ini ngachimechena bvuzo kurotora
warotora mani isa ndichibva yana wakadirotora mara
wakadirotora also nebe ndi mutu wa sickly atirengulwala
yeah man yeah the vanokamba zantu ndichikuita atizora rinotomana ndingamba the weave I just realized this other thing rikuita nditi ndikuedita what has never thing repeated a weave
that's your pain
so kuma chenda buya
I do zvino okay maybe I don't know mara ronoshita ruviri ruraro
hoy runa rutano you're eating man
una mumtende okovetoka tuyaveka video nahamsari ronetanga amavudzi wafa and I was like guys endela vazova mazvo alas tikuvurotomba
like onitisa hani mutu
maybe havadivi difference mara ndo yaka page yavo ndazvona zvangazidive chitu
ndanitembo
andeti zvodomona ndibhizi mushumoni ana chimwe chienda ndakunyonga svika ndakomenta ndarei nawo akasinetese chienda chamzinapezvothe ozeyo niadhivalavadhekela ridatsimbinga avatu kana vafuna like atonambatedza so ovoduma but agirigidha hatikasiri chonisumbaa ndotolivona likachinepe chimwe na chimwe ndariya ndiyamupfesesa but it's fine okay
yelazona ndikambeli aduva vendichinivuza rikakolo uri there are certain people when you go through the comments
and then you're like I get it
okay now ndoni akaprofile
you're like whatever
sense
you're like
yeah,
no yeah maybe mara okay so at the ndaza to said mara also you are a guy you wouldn't know the difference
I do
sometimes ndingakhe lams
maybe this
straight
no mabuzi abasafani wafa I'm not even asking you now I'm telling you because una bobo abana mangu malafu abana ntwane hayi none akhele and then like damn
okay
so ndo peza ndikoda ka video dzote ndiko check there's no way
ara ni mtu kana nadzo shaba zve intimidator
maybe I don't know
no is it intimidating or guys is going or is it like all right what is it
I don't know
what would intimidate you in kamuzan
I don't think I'll be intimidated,
Neza chere deni.
Why?
Ninaibona ningayelo rione.
No,
shaba uri ione and they're like I can't keep up.
Mara dinyaza, don't you think? Kana ndo bana low self-esteem.
No, sometimes you're just being realistic.
Really? Mara if chere deyo dhara and you feel like okay, it's not like nende kwa ndisina.
Okay, arire.
And no. Okay,
ndi nini nayo ni soti.
Ya normal.
Ya normala, ya sharp. You can afford yourself. Eno kodanga Range Rover. And a full mansion. We're moving in together. There's no way she's moving to your place.
Yeah, we have to.
Uko jena ile. Nakubege kwa ngo Adidas.
Rebecca.
Na ziroko. How do you feel? I never knows you antasifala pinky. I'm about to change my
sense.
Na fridge yanga ndiko irebisa yaba pinky zvino. Ningavuvula ningaipa black ka fridge ya pinky. Exactly. So I
okay, maybe that now that muziyamba soti because professor you don't want to be the one and ukumova ini midini ya watu
okay adeka one bede kudoita
then rikota over kazo
ravaraga
ndiapo intimidation yotomondo
that's what I'm saying uri inini koisedza niko humbura ya tangana na muzika ne unadzi weave pets humburani ya msino tangana na Range Rover not yeah like
maybe no more approach about wanga vachioffer maybe that's the first intimidation in our own why do I even see ndikosvika pala petu ndikotobvotsa taxi ndaona ene akuita antu akotsaka emini kupa kokukumie emini kupa nje
kana noya kamutwa ne family yawo ubva from a good family
yeah do you think those girls are intimidating also vala vanhu vatobva chire deni mara
I think for hezvo zviweze uvirisa yawe nga uri ine yava yawe ningaona uri anyone she has a good heart when she wants you as you are sharp the love is there it's proper you guys can make things work yamsi iyawe you need to convince the parents you're not there for it nduri mutangano ni mwana mumwe ende udorumwa ini do you get it
no boy family
bro vomalume vaderera
rumwe
adu utomwa ini wapolo ari una dziposho do you understand there's no way uri kuzota kusiwa koti mnene wa ranger una ini wantu nikuti wena renga tanga ngori aisizi kuti urengiwa and ranger gasita kuya ya grachini ini yo do you get it? So I think those are the things that you guys should look at when you date as well. Uri asizothe zvine zvavanga love ndiyo isedzana family because you're going to marry into that family. Are you going to be able to live with it?
And then for you girls, you just have to say yes or no. Come on.
Zvinovadzana already udzira umrero ufiri kodda chaide so it doesn't matter what family you go into. Namutinoyanga muthu ane utova sorry ndopfa ini.
Masore na cheleda.
Ndikwamba uri ndisoreka ni mdededzi chelede imwe na imwe ine abanayo wamudzana udzira umrero for the lion. Like it doesn't matter uri muthu shuma mini. Namsa kutopanda or whatever like
vaphandi veva vomaginya.
Vomaginya ava findo dola ya kamera.
Jambori mpoela chelede.
Mpoka
mfumakazi wantu.
Mia chigwenda. Amara yone nonyumura chila no McDonald's every day.
Dono dwari chidacho chikula
McDonald's. Chizira china toincha.
Guys, vana maginya kuti phina manje. Wani kuri vana, mwana maginya.
Ndiro tamano ita mwana na maginya guys.
Hey, mpopo wa munna.
Dear boy.
Serious.
And it's ita na zikati ni right guys. Ni sorted.
Listen.
Lianga
ndivashini anongocheka ini hapana oh yes actually nikwamba zvasort I don't know where I wrote that thing man oh yeah I wanted to ask you do you think men would comfortably live namufumakadzi anende provider inaza kuita chito
you think there are men that are comfortable with that inini kuzza ego yangu nevatu vasina ego onokona notomusema still mari as a provider like why are you coming back late duh I'm from a meeting something you don't attend and nendifunga at some point zvingasvika kayo maifi zvingasikondero svikera
mara ndihela point ine zvino if neso norarini navana vofistos dhuva nadhuva muthu ana wamaginya ti and then I'm like wafa dhona dhondo sokobvana yangu akavofista zvingu akamuti ini yakononamba kana hola muthu akononamba urivo hemuna dhopunguze because ini you're like hemuna pandonifatira ndonisare nodzurana mini I feel like zvaso no man I think that's why men should be a provider always so don't you think it's much best to reniere niye muntu ane you know you always be able to provide them no matter what.
Mara ndono zviyambori I feel like that's the standard.
Yeah.
Even if us to a business whatever kauri yonopura yanga at least you know.
Cause nane ndingasifonera ini.
River kuitira veiwe at least you need to still have a voice you know need to like mwana asongori like I should do like udaka kutia majo da basgiro yaka miao. Do you understand how crazy that is? For real. She don't even put up like at some point.
Like, true, eh?
At some point, she don't affect her. Like even when the family come visit, they don't ask you. Abaumbeleka never never side family and baumbela mia nyinyi. Rare kombro do dara. Why? They know who buys the food.
Yeah, true.
So ziyak on the area zichitoa mani kopfonga love we blind in godipura, but eventually that system doesn't work.
Nah, I'm good man. Ndingasira mtandara kopfonga. Angaziwa na chedno pira yangati maranda fonga to the bureau maintain also because you can have a normal bank account na the maintain mtania wana bank account no pira yano but the una ungene rufozore hai hapo no nzoyesa
kana na wanori chinokuitori na wanori okay una njiyo no pira yano nga uri maybe she doesn't have more responsibilities mara nikas levelenti at least ndizo tu zvine zviya handler you know how to maneuver around it because you can both afford the same bond yandu same car banga inganitendera note but hey
yeah man so
anyways.
Let me read this statement for you before Chita intro. I know we haven't done an intro to you guys man so ndo chibana kama ginya funny enough because rotuma ngai uchipost kama children kwa WhatsApp women hustle for their femininity women hustle for their independence and then kids hustle to make their mom proud. Do you believe that statement?
It's true.
Shit, why though?
I don't think of you when I'm making money. I'm not thinking of anybody else.
And I'm not thinking of myself.
I'm thinking of my mom.
And when I'm making money, I'm trying to think of my future. Like, oh, Makhadzi wanga bananga.
Imagine
exactly.
a baby on board. No, honey, I'm thinking of a two-seater.
Mara, why is that, Mara?
I don't know because I think just lazore Robert Karerar at you but independently. So okay, we are very nurturing. Nga mvero. The same way if you love a woman, you one would the provide the provision whatever that's inside you. You want to make sure she's eaten online whatever a little dinner dates there and there, your hair, your nails. Instantly
yeah.
And then Rine, when I fall in love with you, I just want to take care of you. I'll serve you, I'll cook for you, I'll you know, making sure I'll make sure your clothes are always ironed and all those stuff. Matters, you know, outside nature to like at what
you
point
still have the money to get someone to come do that for me.
Yeah, available but the
makes sense.
And also I think marriage tsitava for like not but like
you think so? Do you think
most of them barata independence yabo vachijena kar munyanya because not munyanya mbingano because bambo diva everything is about their person also remodinyango nibikira legging is ngode chitakuwa pa mendo ichuwe
itakuwa rdo itantu
mpanga umpudo hanga nsi
nyambe yapweni
uchisa zvimwevo
ufuna na zvibone zvine una zvino kuti ita kuya blinka kwa fafa
you're legging
Panda Studios abaita zvote yavo vaite zvavo zvive
coming to you live from namani Jenny's
nameli pangeti coming to you live from Panda Studios anepa Bramfontein 38 Mele Street if nyango then zvo recorda vazi podcast na mini na zvino zvine nyango ita vazi video humwe petu not Panda Studio mafoni ka 010 023 2939 or info@pandastudios.com kana ndivo.maginya@pandastudios.com kutombrere cause ingadi shuma ufimi company ni jina skori dzina chifani dzina dot chifani the shuma. And then this episode is brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. No yana bona voznepe zva nama tongoenda bona chitu ngamugivera asi kuya postiwa nami watu vachilava muri camera
chinepe cha event
ndobona zvimwinyana like I forgot who I saw that for. Ndo tagiwa nga mumwe mtu ka
Facebook
ka
TikTok
ka TikTok oita odrola mkeguru
I like glasses. Guy, I love that thing. Don't want to put a fridge.
Ka fridge? Like odrola fridge go itwa
into ka glass ile fridge.
Oh, damn, people have money, man.
People have money. I would love that.
Because I'm thinking now not raw fridge it's azungebo. That's the first thing that comes to mind.
Mara tiba labat baboita ngangiba. About after mzaitwa umwe zvakunotoda za transferwa. Feel like zvitonga tatu. Like
would you get a tattoo?
But I'm also skin changa sensitive for ink. Also the helper.
Yeah, ungopa me.
I don't like pain.
Oh.
The most painful thing I can ever do is my waxing, and that's it.
Waxing. Yeah,
Wax.
waxing.
Yeah.
How is it? Tell me about the experience. How is it for you ever since you've been there?
I do it monthly.
Natito enough can I talk gwakwa? Radical tsarigi.
No, I couldn't imagine. Did you do it?
Really? So is it always a must to ruba mfuma kazonita josto?
I've never to do anything. I don't think that salon is higher maybe.
Would you be comfortable with a guy?
I've had a guy na yamunna. No, but guys, as a girl, need you.
My
girl.
What does he do? What did he do to you? I go check a mini guy.
I went to check one mini last time. I think it has something to do with my period. Also, I'm going to consult as a contraceptive or something, I think. Yeah.
Which ones are the best?
I've only tried the patch. I've never tried anything else.
Yeah, patch and
why? Read a minute.
I'm still trying to process.
I use it.
Maybe it visa like a because I think I am you.
It visa something it's nature and it works.
Really?
No.
This was
no. Listen.
The Doritu.
Also, one thing I love about it, it's good for your period. I have the period pain.
Oh.
And a period pain. And then I would say IUD is expensive, but apparently it's the best. Marandofu is uncomfortable. And then there's the injection in India. I've seen people complain about weight gain. Their skin, not the skin, but then again, hoopy. Like maybe I respond to fun. So that's why you need to see a guy now. It could. It could affect somebody else.
Oh yeah.
Now when I come to Komupati, but because it's nausea, symptoms of pregnancy apparently.
Yeah.
So, anyways, and I don't even post your but was going to contraceptive. Then you post on.
Oh really? Why in Korwa?
Yeah, because what do you mean? What in the birth rate?
But I think you're tight.
The people I know did a gift taru za August peds 3 and 3 baby girls 3. One, two, three.
Kodarinana's baby boys. Anyways, anything man, as long as I'm out. What do you mean?
But when do you want a kid? How soon would you want one?
Probably in the next 2 years.
When you're ready?
I'll be ready in the next 2 years. Now I'm not ready. That's why I'm deny. No one I'm to post story. Guys, Richard is already the one financially stable. What if you never get? I'm like, then
I'm never gonna have a child.
Cause that's easy. Cause but and that's it. They tend to forget to look at it after. But then, anyways, in this topic,
your heads are big. No, sir, 120 and look at it over 7.
Couldn't wear over the bag. Can I get class in?
I feel a pajama day. Unless to she tracks to share actually. Could you ever get a pajama? Look at the medical aid. Do you know how expensive the thing is? Nanga it branding dot. Umbrani, Nigot your Adam Kaya.
Oh, Mutana Mutuna.
Edap and the other fishing and I was go for
so I mean Maria to say
she affected of children like I've heard people at work will not know what you're going to go feast. In mind, I'm like, Jambo was going to office and then which long I manner. And then
that's the thing. What about finance page? One was so.
And it's got the Jerry Urini Shumoni, Jambo and Shumo, you've got enough leave days also. You do any capacity in your work say if you're still very low there, they're not going to understand what's going on. What the like so.
I wouldn't.
In the next 2 years, I'm giving you 2 years.
2 years, no more pain. Anyways, guys. Dormini. No, like remember whatever I am able to do. No, man, none of them did those return. But But then, anyways, guys, not wrong on Zanama for the but to do if you are contact them. Now, when I suggest you never quit as packages, the funerals and all that. If Niching a corner, anyone is the brochure, anyone and my type is my boogies. Don't know my little books love this, and I'm sending it on the Chilumbo. None of the lagos are my books that have guy. I'm the Tombrelli. Oh, Boogie City.
I wonder if I'm going to pinky.
Maybe they would.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to Bora.
Special request, man. So, number is 015-151-0251, kana 0251, kana nyeka www.mr21.co.za. Ndona chuma chikwenepo. There's always a number ya WhatsApp. When you dianga WhatsApp call, if it's now their time. As you know, nisongonga unono WhatsApp ticket. Onomfodera ayiko jena.
Niliani funa WhatsApp ticket.
What funny guys for them to do
na why what's this? FaceTime years ago jena.
FaceTime years ago jena.
I called you on FaceTime years ago leader.
Sorry.
Like WhatsApp.
No FaceTime in
It's quite nice. No, it's not the material
Mara if yeah, the material is nice, man. That was
Itonga ingaba safari whatever ne.
It looks so weird.
Ne renga guy.
China Mall.
Seriously? Yeah. It looks like a Woolworths thingy.
No, I don't do Woolworths things, man. I don't have that money. Because I'm going to save one for the next 2 years. Bro.
Anna 300. Ini. When you don't nanguri guy, ni nayo mar.
No, ain't you got a 250.
Ah.
That one, let me.
Yeah, Woolworths is 300, I'm sure.
Mar, as I would yell airplane at Koro. You know to come up.
Ish.
One of them of Shumol. Oh, they are a fool.
We want to be on your says like, do men have that fashion critique? Yori,
and then they said that. Oh, bro, you could have like altered the trousers.
Okay, formal. I understand who said you are the tailoring.
You mean the swag?
Yeah. Okay, mutu ambara like
casual.
Just hembe na bruku.
Yeah.
Ni said zoro tailoriwa and maybe the shirt as ya inachwa. That's what you're looking at.
I work out.
And then casual results, I mean.
No, just be smart, man. I don't know how I would define smart, Mara. Just be smart. It's fine, man. Yeah, man. And it, Richard Makhadzi. Did you see the thing about Makhadzi?
I didn't read the story. I just saw what
happened. And then you also sent me that thing. Mara discharge Mboni, justice for Mboni. Apparently, I'm not sure if usizvoni so ndimukona azvipinyana so mufevala mtu wobva vachikwa Antony mulindeloni then vachivuya afi vakubhojola mini then kana fumopiswa antu private parts nga kana ndi acid kana ndi madhi opisa I don't know guys if
and then he passed
you ought to die bra and if you achidzura ukuriwa petwa waona vachidzura ukuro vaviri vatu vanozvivona uri oh like, bruh, why not just shoot him at least?
And I'm thinking, like, there's so many families when that thing is nonsense, man.
Yeah.
Because whenever you're raising what? Kids and I
feel like they affect our neighbors to
that's the crazy part.
I would advise him to
you saw that thing hela trend ya TikTok your documentary.
Oh yeah.
You're me preparing to film a documentary. I saw one person what anibe phones and zote.
Oh.
Zote. Please.
No isa.
Yo, board.
Isa wapa inini andina man.
And then preparing to shoot a documentary growing up in a household where the parents baba kuribozwera rine for us. And people were commenting like crazy. What are
some of the comments?
Like, the Ndandichito Ambara had said, because I knew Wuvuya at this time, they're going to start fighting. Couldn't even study. I couldn't do this.
Yeah.
It made me hate marriage and whatever. And both of you never happy separately. But do you understand?
Which is working now.
I'm doing it for the kids is an excuse. I don't think it's true.
Excuse to what?
Excuse Yori, you still want that man or you still want that woman? Okay, usually one of Makhadzi undoziraban. You still want that man? Nina badorimini at church, because usually they've been married for some time. At church, their families.
Besides they love abuse, I mean, in anything you can never live for church.
Love it. They love it down. So, like a lot of kids were talking about that, and I'm just like, You don't realize how much you're traumatizing the kids, hey?
Yeah. So that's all. Then that's how the guy passed.
That is so sad, man. And then you mbudze, okay, let's say now nani chi mutu ojola. Ni wane lo dubana zikubvote.
Okay, never mind. Word over.
We're not doing that. Okay, niko sami.
No, ndiko to that.
But we don't crema taga. And you're getting too predictable. But what the social filufu, but those zai camera those zaini inina seya. Ni predictable upenga.
Ready for it. Anya kwamba na DJ Search.
Wambene.
No wala tuma mna. Zinga comment zori na mtu namba funu mtu wanaza chakolote. I was like
unadzo biwe. Nazabiwa ngaba nadzo.
I have everyone's number if I have to have them. Let me call the guy. Guys, what's been happening there? All of a sudden, jiggy what most of all into. Oh, that was quick. Later, my last week, I'm going to bed. Guys, but then,
don't take a pouch in a screen. What on a phone and be one.
Chunk.
In the session, I
Eta. It's so cute. Funny song as what mean what DJ Search? Lishapuma wakama na Kingsley da wa Black Couch. Wakama na Kingsley wa Black Couch man. Yes, unantu unaposho nyana ngapo mrawo mabanga kono move stuku ndito babuzisa zwithu zwiraru neti muthu odina. Vazdiva ti. Yeah, I saw redzi kho vhuya nyana kha TikTok voita nthu vokwata vakoamborori so azviko dzudzanyiwa nga ndira yone so just wanted to understand uri kuita mini kha vone na Makhadzi because I've always known you. Okay, nene tomu vadhiva nga Slay Mama I think and then chikama zwa Makhadzi la tomu realize uri dzimwe dzinyimbo ndono dzipfa na mina so vanga tori break it down kha muchitori nyana ri for oita mini. Oh, ndani chikori oita mini kha vone na Makhadzi.
Oh, neno ndo spara no la mzana man mzama 2023 yeah nendo kwa royalties danga auto domba chede yango la mzana.
Yeah, and then reason if you already
and like batho ba go so kwa mbara Makhadzi umbadelicha ndo mubadelicha ndo murengisela beach ato murengisela beach
and then was amo reach out to ene zvino so was amo amba naye zvino zvothe basa to post story vana chelede yanga and ndidho venda ya vatuni zvino
ati jeni ka social media nda posta muthu ndisho ngamba naye ndatomala mfoinera
yeah
ari reply ri ne Makhadzi mara chitoda bitu ri foinera angari foinera 24/7 mara ri ne chitoda chelede dza burine atafara dzikholo dza burine why.
Yeah. Okay, so last year kama na vangu vadzi royalties na voti and I think vangu vayamba zori uyava na split sheets ina mini zvone zviyasainwa na contracta vezvila zvinova nazvo na vewe because I feel like maybe imwe problem ingadive yenepo kamzi vatako for ujira na advantage yenepo.
Okay, ndiriyo zvinhu la contracta ne.
Yeah.
Karali Makhadzi achizvidiva ndi big artist udiva nga music azvone.
Ndizvo ndimulwani Makhadzi.
Ringari upcoming producer. Okay. Tamatoma chidiva nga mulayo. Makhadzi wote osendera mwedzi 4 mara senji ikombera nishule 4 mwedzi. Idoveni nga email. Idoveni ziwishe nga email. Mara angore sendera. Why out of the ZD za borina na mazina borina. Mara risho play macho de borina uchifiri nari wanga ngumu. Mara bichetu wangani.
Zi ID zazi kujira mean ori niwe na zintu na split sheets na vewe nyana pala na pala.
Oh. Apa neno kwa mga trike zene za baro dori shazi platinum. Ato kwa mga trike zine ndofi. Iwe fa platinum. Tola na peni.
And then madzina no vaone kantu kadzi nyimbo pala one avomwa tini yazvona kamzuri kutamba nge pasi wangono fi nyina nyuone naone aone madzina
no ka producer phase notongwa ufuna uveleze inyimbo.
But then producer office 150%. Zvine ndono guda
and napeli kuzana nyimbo zene za baro zokatwa zintro za nodonchiwa na vamwe vathu vene va varati vadhivi voita biti yanga hasho sikakatwa intro yanga inchiwa murandu unoita rini
and then ukokatwa intro ini credit wana chedi nichapiwa vathu vone ndovapi I think zviva zvikwina so rikwama na madzina ori ridivo re vathu vanogoshumisa vathu vashindi vapi
ne Makhadzi ndichimuitira ila track ya wedding day ova Mozambique ari kumbula sendera project Mr. Boko nyongo eda something
Mr. Inyi
because va upcoming producer na nero ndio nyotakuwa vele Mr. Bau unta Makhadzi tava sendera project ruimbo lo risaro shova da wana okatwa intro yanga
ofi Mr. Brown
vari Mr. Bow.
Oh, Mr. Bow.
Okay.
Mr. Bow.
Yeah, I'm sure vadodiri tusakazi comment never.
Arali musi chimwe yonwana for wedding day nari Makhadzi wedding day kuzozviona zina langa lomala producer mara chone ndikolela chone klishina ndibvunzala manda anga
Yeah.
auna muthu angashumela mahala
Yeah, ndizvone. So plan yanu ndipyo zvino if uchikobvi akupindura and then
story auna muphandi nangapanda ntamuphandi okay ena vakutoda mina pe Makhadzi atomutovera inbox yaona ri Makhadzi ndina BTK otomupfoinera ada inbox yanga ṅwalela message ari ndikuhumbela u itelwa BT akamutostela ni
and then okay plan yanga yombusa yanga zvino keti niyo ubusori okay if ukobvi Makhadzi onipura kazvasona mean and you know rezvo ndine ndoshimo dzibiti obviously ngadivani nadzintu dzawane fumini akamba asiko zviskeleton zvadzibiti uri vatu vasifesese kwine so planning ndiyo rini kudoita mini zvino cause obviously if uchikofi ukoni ignora kana kuamba zori auna muthu anodopanda ntamupandi and nani obviously ngotoda chedi ngori noshume una biko lano pala petu ndoitisani
nechene ndikudoita chani kutomwalerwa leta Makhadzi ntovera
okay
kutomwalela Makhadzi entertainment le
yeah
urendiso from 2023 dosvika zvino onolove guy
izvi zvinhu zvikaita yakaMakhadzi entertainment kana copen mic inoita namba nezvino
parari nazumbura chipinga chosainiwa gandu tena nendosainiwa ndotohana
copen mic
kumfesesa chipinga chava kubva na open mic veya poster ari Makhadzi owana producer ntsva DJ station na gandu if you remember
yeah
wena nenda diela track ya zvini nakele ya DX
and zvine nakena is big eh that's why ndikambori dziplatinum dzinyimbo ini yandi kwenifesesa zvino
labugai kaya cherede ivina data ya Makhadzi atidili na bondo ya Makhadzi atidili
yeah
that girl uzita ngari enowa queen kema la madance yawo oto opuwa kuswako badeliwa
mamini badancers
ivonofala petu nochenja kanya vatu vote vonochenjiwa
yeah kone understand
ugoyuza vatu ine chene chavatanga ndidochirwela kana ignora mara chene chavone video ndizoziita kuti naye odzura azvipfora kave ena utoma akuita open mic olira vatu vamuimelela open mic yamupa zvona rinasa ri tichede zavo rine
yeah
ine ndinamwe producer mularaura jena life yapo ukuambuwa ngazvo
yeah and then
hola dia ila track ya linyalo vari linyalo watu angola na peno la mtukana
and then ape tinogorisha tu kaMakhadzi pezi kana even the manager maybe kana the management team as a whole
manager wa Makhadzi ulira kufanana nezvine ndava zvone zvino
what do you mean
naona mfonero la manager ana na manda handina chitu toambara sechi nezvinondika sezvikona zvitotodaiwo munomufonera zvikwamba minezvo zviti uchimufonera fari kolo dzavo rine endikuzive maipiyambudza Makhadzi ofestera ndichimutestera nditando ona minyagusba ombudza risa chimudza vana ndowela zvito zvino avara kuzvidhiri totombutsanga ziroyalties ndari Makhadzi ziroyalties dzanga kabe ziroyalties dzanga dzotuloka kaemail cause ndomusendera na email otompa dzipesenti dzanga ndadzivona nemunhu ekafoni yangu rea chedi yangu ake ape ndichiita music ndikasienda claima mtu 2000 kana ndakaima 3000 nemunhu ela chedi ndidziva rea echedi kana rikuengeza ndaipa 2 years okay gamba ndikawana kupolwa ndine munhu ngambilu yanga nawo ndichimuitira beat ndidziva chedi yanga kuita mini ikuengezeya kana tikwatidivi tikushuma music na nowa
and then also tinkamba zori dzinyimbo dzone ya platinum namene vatu vakodhirwa nyana anga dzifiga nifonga ingave nosvika kugaichiredi yanini anokuti yanikuiwana kaye zvino risoko richipolo
it's too much from 2023
yeah
apo ndikwamba zvini nakele yoricha 1.8 million viewers payoutube atatoamba keziziwezi platinum kana ulidzwa radioni kana mini achuzi
yeah but then rombera ntu we just gonna need an update comes in zvikodhia rina neri ku update vatu rocket dijese chinomu for the ramba naye and then apa ndeune oimaone naMakhadzi zvino zvikodzudza nyaya and then aningori badera musi usadofi nori badero rine ambe tofi vatu vakunika badera na vatu ndizvone izvozvo
and chine chabhora ndori vatu vari ine Makhadzi ompacharere kere adise prove
aiyo
ati Makhadzi uri ne ombadela vhathu va Makhadzi vari ati apena mihumbulo ya vhathu uri nga vha ro bebiwa nga mubebi muthihi mara mihumbulo ya vhone nga tshifana
ya ndi zwone hezwo
muthu u ḓo amba zwine a sa zwi ḓivhi amba uri tshi o badeliwa tshelede a thi tola na peni ifini na data dza 10 rand kana bondo ya Makhadzi a thi ḓivhi ni
iranint maybe ri ḓo zama reach out kha Makhadzi ro no wana number phone dza ra for uri u khou ri mini from a side but then ri khou livha nga maanḓa na kona u share tshitori tshaṋu thi
no problem
arali wa ri takale ṅwana mukalaha phone feels so naked DJ yeah so that's what's happening yo bra the relatives look at the vhathu because I know a lot of people when I'm going to see ngori do kwata bachira Kingsley but I'm sure he's still waiting for his royalties
from who
from one of the artists that we know a lot
Ndi.
artist one no Danaka Black Couch I'll let you know after the thing after the show ngomfonela na sky actually ndinyaso ngobadilwa yeah so
yo it's crazy hey bro. And mara you
I get the royalties dza muyani na mini 300,000 1 million views apart from magazi 20 million
there's a serious one eh? But then again here's my chat arani umntu obala nyimbo zinosvika 5 if there's no agreement and I didn't 80% Carol Toma nalovili nalovravu
from 2023
nalovunna ndaita
you're probably
ndati kuropiwa ti I'm just saying uri the attitude towards money attitude yavatu towards money when it comes to bigger artists you just think I actually need her more ningaona uri ova kupfuri ukungitera dzina like this is Makhadzi she's going to perform outside of the country nga rwimbo nga music wanga do you understand nga beat yanga but nangwa zvimwe zvithu zvote ngori and okay ndikoipfa yotoma yawiri yavraroti yaisongosvika
but then don't you think is that point in yakamba zori ndakwazima uri iko dibebo ni yabo nila zvina featured yairichiyo ndishondwanga zvasartsikizvo
ai baby risongozviamba I don't assume
ojiwa id ningopfora zvizvinhu
ojerwa id
tofika vasendedzi id namini so exactly how do you design id you think so there's right
nitopfori hai zvamburi ndikopata limwe
I'm sure the quotation
that's crazy man
yeah
and the fact that ukumupindura hezvo zvito guys like money is such a crazy concept I don't know
ichadiyarisa vathu but like why bro then anyways anything man but then guys nozvipfamusi uri ukuita mini but if nichidiva zvimwe story ngadzi royalties namini vaimbi niandana but nodakadzi whatsapp uri hey ufunoita commentani vati vadhive nendiva ndichizvidiva tini vanhu kudimbudza dhuva nadhuva zvithu zvichaitaya zvaso
kavaiwanaleka comment section please
yeah man but then anyways I wanted to ask you something too maybe rive rikobva kamapongo asaid because zvikova vanyane zvinoni ubva last week ringa sikudza vari kurira guys what do you think of people that propose on their partners graduations
munhu nave vava kugidima univen
okay yeah jafana mara
waiva kutakura cameraman
wafarichari hezo
okay sorry
but what do you think of such people or not just graduation in any moment
birthday ngatsi birthday
okay maybe birthday iyanhu usina zvine nakuita like okay
mara okay richirika graduation rikuhamba gai graduation dinner
could be that also kana hone because ndikozviamba because ndobona inge video yamwe mtu akopropose on stage
ula uchikoimisiwa inokogonya
achikoutsaso ngozwana ningovidzwa wafamativa coffee natsan hezvi
mara uyo mtu zviyamba ene hatu graduate because if you have you would respect graduation ila stage hausikuitwa zvinoina fanenda zvishumanga chipinge zvila uchitakuwa mumwe ukodha mumwe ini chipinga chokwata mani kuchiwana gai
exactly my point because I'm thinking ori now nikunyengojia shine yanga nendo apa ndodotakara for graduation now you want to make it about you.
So now namsiralichana the video yanga ya graduation ini nokwata yeah I don't know how I feel about it maybe graduation dinner yes but then during the day allow me to have my moment
I think even the graduation dinner
why the dinner beni vanono graduate
just get a special day man yeah swezvo
humwe kamzuvo
ndezvi zvine vana nayo kamuzoni vana vakusave okay birthday yawe ndimwambise atende zvava zvintuni udhiva liti zvambori
but what's wrong with the guy trying to save what if he doesn't have the money to do both
yeah I think actually now that it's me ufuna ndandozvimbura zosave ndishumanga zvizvithu like I should know that
I do get it unless are any mune ana dzimwevo malicious plans dzimwevo dziri at the back of his head.
Yeah.
Mara, if it's really coming from a good place,
Yeah.
I don't think there's anything wrong with doing it at the dinner. And eti abeni vatu beo nibo proposes zvimwevo abekari nditio no beo karenga mrayo, you have to come speak to my parents first. They should know uri nikudonkumbela hand in marriage or whatever. So are oyamba na baby na obatenda at the dinner, I'm the only one that doesn't know, then that's fine. You spoke to my parents. But then you can't shock my mom nga graduation by badera nuyo bamangadza nawo. Ngasipetele chimangadzo ka great party yasho.
Chimangi.
My uncles would hate you so much.
Yo, okay, how about at your marriage? At your wedding. That proposal on. How do you say about that?
Ani mungu rompengerabo. Tini ngotona yaya no mtu. Nzompromisa goro nye kana ndirani ngoda. Ni mwenye kutonturera ngachibyanga.
Yeah.
Mara ni manu kompengera. Because why must my love story be like interrupted ngayang?
Because there's an atmosphere ya rufu.
As atmosphere yanu.
Ego jenera mwana mumwe ti.
Yani goroi tole goroi ni proposana. Nanu indere mabone anga arumbia ubadiru ngani. Uri nini kono kwa tamu.
Arumbia marundwani.
Uri nini kono kwa kulubeleza mnyanya mara.
Oh.
Ini za joini competition mngana.
Voto ana. Wana tembi.
Harubo tembi bo.
Tembo amba naye.
Tembi maraka.
Amba ngachangana.
Nyakombele. Kotiti me.
Tito be yideni gaga no na klipa chiri. Yo michakana abatori biri. Yeah.
Mara guys, okay, tanu muitera hazo ngojoina batu muchatiseni mndu kana wa.
No, mara reason zawo zazikupara.
Kuba na mbebezi ya Chinatown ana zvimwe.
Reason zawo zazikupara.
Uri zvidongana
uri kama zaimbe ya Chinatown ti. If ningotanga na muti like ambara like how much are you hoping uri mutu ambara operera this is the price. Or let's do you now.
Ndingabona ya muzana not ya mtu kani.
Okay, mbuzini yangu so.
Minim.
How much are you wearing here?
Depends on she in, so I don't know. You guys marukwa she in.
Matiti randa.
Arapangina legging yangango.
29.
Mara zeti randa burukwa for malaji.
Aka 59.
It's like 200 rand.
Oh, so adorati.
Yeah, one something 200 rand.
I'll show you something.
I bought these heels somewhere and if the fix kana achadiva
mara nambara 1000. Fizo ngomse samlenje legini. So I want to show you this video, man.
Nayanga I don't. Oh, come see watch. With either you know watch. Mara if that's the case, you do every day.
Yeah, Mara is fine either way.
Okay,
number nika 2000.
Ni apenga tene Wellington 2000. It's 4K.
Open a cherede.
Ele o matoro tikisho.
No, ashuma shuma.
Mara DW rengani mngana waziraba na sale.
Tunyanga za sale. Ndorenga ndazo afford.
Mngana mara okay ya 4K ni ya afford ngudo ditisa. Hai inini ambora we.
Nene afu.
Nuri ni mana ijela zokola.
Nazokola
nandos. Okay aningorenga nandos mro yodura.
Nusuno mwamoto de mafungwanga.
Ina inobudza watu ndenomberleki.
Okay, so I want to show you this video. Hopefully the time. Listen to it. A blix yes at all.
And ni aborani tambizo tuka screen izo nkuru.
Oh, ndiwo usumbeza watu zinu. Awangobona ula wapintu. Wakabishi. Na ntu.
Oh, end.
Yeah. Okay, take off and download. Guys, I'll show you some other time. Mara, this lady was wearing like 4.something million. I'm like, there's no way, bro.
Wapano?
Nah, I don't think do wapano.
Mararadzi wachi na zvienda maybe.
And as soon as you go, chienda nacho. Na dress nje. Wana numkigulo no itisa nini. So I'm like,
Mara 4 million in rands.
In rands.
But still, what outfit is that? Nisu weka event ngoro chimbra.
Did the tamba video never to no? Did I tanga itambe? Then do download.
I read it next week.
Then do it am machira na ibona. I'm like, yeah, this is the video, man. So I'm like, people have money.
They do, hey. Then mara ndingazviambara zvodura if I had the money.
Ndigayo nena pori, I'm successful. I can just do whatever I want with money.
When I have enough.
Is money never enough? I don't think so.
No, mara you have 5 rand to spare. There's a person who doesn't have 5 rand to spare. When you get to a point where you've got 500,000 to spare, then you can do whatever you want to do. It will get to a point where that money is no longer. I mean, when I want to a shopping spree, in Diamond Walk.
Yeah, man.
And it's nothing. Like they buy it of vanilla or in Willis and Vienna.
Diamond Walk on the guy. Yeah, they were to divine so for one.
I'm gonna do your ass go kake.
I did the way to the Zoku.
So in the sentence
sitting
on go, but hey la line in Ava, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Amiri. Yeah, it's a diamond walk because basically
the coastal area what Atlantic Seaboard, Cape Town,
something like that.
Oh,
yeah, Cape Town. If you mean who own Cape Town,
that's
just go in and see. You don't any.
I have a lot to do, man. Now I'll sleep for 3 hours. Because if I have to work, I
was actually telling Nonto today. I just got a comment and she's like, no, are you fine? And I'm like, no, man, I don't want to say I'm not fine, but I'm tired.
Yeah.
And then she's like, yo, and you're even laughing. And I'm like, I don't want to cry about it because you can't now, like, don't take example that it's not like Donetango. It's not like I was going to phone and I'm like, it's not like I'm tired and go like getting the kids ready and whatever. I'm tired. You're tired of your job and your side hustles. That's someone's prayer and that's something you once prayed for. So unfortunately, we must just carry on, hey? If you must just find something you don't need to so dash up, you don't need dashing out, you wake up and do it again. And this is life. It doesn't, there's nothing else. Fistos was actually telling me, I got to do. It doesn't get better than this. This is it. Like,
mine has to get better.
No, it might get better financially. But then you still have to put in the work, which is not higher. Now you got the responsibility, stress is so. It's unfortunately we can't complain. I think we love complaining. Rangori nangoro brabana zindimi.
Iniyafuna zindimi.
Inina mafuzi bando. Inina bishop ni kura brisa.
Nto bishop ngani mngano.
No problem. Okay, I'm a bishop. Okay, mu bishop.
As we quit.
Mara bishop is English. We know bishop. Okay, wait. Bishop is in English. Bishop in English as Venda.
I know.
You know, you mu bishop or mara which kwa.
Mu bishop.
Bishop. Okay, bishi then.
Sounds wrong, eh? 2 ways.
But I'm just saying, or no matter but no bisa but biko.
And is a pan the referendum.
Guys, find something to dash up chiro and move. It does. How does ring way? This is it. Man. So, honestly.
Guys, and then also the thing China Rasong Zamba was it on a call last night? Hey. Yeah, as he broke code in the intro.
Oh, yeah. I know. Rasha Vagazara day. I think. No, but we brought it up.
Did you go back urenga ntuzvezvina kubuza vathu varavara
nandosi oya wonderful chicken loyo
yazvipawo ndibva mulova
varumwamba ti
yeah, so what do you think of the brocos? I mean, class was camp. Ndela zvina ndikamba neuri maravo.
Inyambani, what do you think about brocode?
No, nezvina ndikamba ndizori. Guys, chimwe chipinga usavana vangana vanji zvitusa henepo uri mini. Aunofinovhunda brocode na mini. Hypothetically, if now you go to the mungano, I'm trying to do anasi bro yanga, I get to go easily because there's no code in the vunda.
I can't, yo. Yamganwanga. I think I can't.
That's the thing. You go for mungana.
There's a rule. You can't date your friend's ex, but you can definitely date your ex's friend.
Nah, you are penga. You are
Why not?
It's the same thing, man.
Why? There's no bro code. You fucked me up. You messed me up, Natua. So what code?
So that
you broke the code when you left me. You broke the code when you left me. So I need archana code. Archana code. Your brother is cute. Let's go. You broke it when you hurt me.
so ndingozvifa ndiapona nena brother
wangarakadhiva mungana wanga I can't go date
mara nena brother kana nena uncle dodar kufunga hai vana bro code ndikuitisana ngani nichivoitana wa
ari nyono vathu vajeneri zvizameni nivono mukomana unoni funi
okay
these niggas okay
mara zvakumati usava navangani it's always a solution at some point. This is where
at a lot of points but not that one.
Nah man, nerikofunga even in this point is the best thing. What's a girl code? What do you guys know?
Neneyo yashumaka girl code. I can't date my friend's ex or talk to someone ane mngana wangu amba naye.
Na data mara mngana wangu. Okay, ex ya mngana wangu.
Oh. And we don't
okay,
even like
maybe
the same.
Okay, maybe niko ngori mngana wangu. Ya mtu ane nachimdiwa.
They do it after I've went in.
Oh yeah, ndakudanibuza zvimwe and then sambo nombe mpindula.
Mara
that's not kama nindomdiva.
Mara wezvilavo like even if kabe vatomalana nditomudiva. That's enough for number dzawe.
That's the thing.
Shino, apo ndijena guy. Okay, how is that my business? And she came after me.
Kika in.
Yeah, after vango vararu kana vana mushopkati or something.
Oh.
2 or
hey,
so.
He's been
no indi lover boy ndonibuza.
Lover boy yo itandru.
No, I could date job kuma he wasn't playing around. Achibaisiwa umwe netomubaisa mara umwe udhirobaisiwa. I didn't hurt him.
I want him to ngatendorobaisa.
No, I wouldn't tell you as a friend because I know you'd ask him. Ask him, he'll tell you.
Okay.
It was never me. And I never did anything. Angatonibudzuri rachitofarisana phone like there was nothing.
No, negumo fara phone ichipinga.
No, ndomudhido vatindaifara chimwe and funny enough like siyaolovera rikomama onzanera voice ndondonibuza toivhura tonitecheresisa kamudzidha yakadiya
nikodohangwa ini
zvinotiteni zvino
ndizoita
yona pesa iri 1 minute what
yes zvinoda kuvona ri wopfandarera zvaudhivudhi
ndibusy wazvidiwa ndibusy
and then
ndoivhura mara ndotohangwa
anything man you want us to touch on resa toyera I want to do those things namsivo ri kudzithoma
dzilaw
namsivo ri
48 laws.
It's been like 2 months kusikuridamba ngazi.
So how are we going to do it? Are we going to say one and then we say
Wait before the law do you think Mrito is gone? I think about chirufu rwawe ma swikombaisa uri azviko trend.
Orova zvokuma.
Remember he passed on. Tofi ozamudhibulaya in jail. And then zvino afollow.
Mara azvingoconfirmiwa ndobona mumwe muthu wako rive uchanopangira Mrito kuchira. Do you think arauna rufu zvathose to confirmwa? Not even radio, not even something. Come on guys.
Maybe, yeah.
Na kereke abe yaidova zvino yonobudziwa so we would have actual information. So there's no way. I don't think so. I don't think so.
Yeah.
Let's get into the laws. Abangorova mkana vachiona.
Ini ufeni ngwadzi mfuni ange. And then so these are
and as a Chris Excel we have another issue.
Chikepable. So that's your boy, man.
Chimini.
Yeah, boy. What's your beef with people, man?
I don't have beef.
You're beefing with the whole country, all of a sudden. Guys, just a plug it. Research Kadzi law city because we don't come with so votera Raskhanli Kadzi Sama for the best girl band. Raskhanli. Mtu anaenda adita nichimupa wazo ndikuita. So and I'm no supposed to get TikTok hardcore. I'm like, what? This guy.
Oh, Tim Dave. I'll check him out.
Now we are posting Chungarunya podcast.
That's
what happened.
Guys, here's the thing. Radio hufiwa voice aniboni kopeni.
Muzonu ndi watu wa makuani. Songo zvipa.
No, usihezo pedzi. And also, I've told you before, ati mtu wa radio. Remember nandichiri ininifa radio ngori nagoroi. I don't know no rifingwa guy ngori
now. It's a short distance.
Also, nditiyo bando vaka Apple, what? The car thing that connects.
Apple CarPlay.
Whatever.
If Apple CarPlay, nangasiri whatever ndikuboni budza wapa. Ndoto ndo vana ntunogudisiwa zvitu. Yeah.
Apple CarPlay. So ndayakaradio iwe yoidzima ka? That's the problem. And then ndivandingonya kuishumisa for a lot of things. And then I'm sindichidivandira ndizonofunga ways for other stuff. Zvino
police. Chaka yeah, so I get it. Yeah, so we're just gonna do 2. Let's do 2 or 3. Let's see where we end.
See how far we can
so
get.
These are the 48 laws of power. So I'm going to live. I was like, we're gonna talk about this, but since then I've been postponing because we always have content for days. So the first one says, never outshine the master.
Hey, you know pirizi?
wapfa ndovusa ḓuvha wena luambo na ndo tendo good. Yeah, so yeah, never outshine the master. What do you think of that law? Guys, zingapela next year.
What if Mura, like, what if life gets you to that? Like, okay, let's say nditenda inina ngudisa ndoni wana kalenion nesu mudzimba zakomblesa po zvanchimbelela ndawana nji so ndisongorenga posho ininza tuva nayo.
Yeah,
so
it's a good one.
So kamusi uri ndisongoni betrayer, yes, uri ndisongo ya mra wangu ndichija zi client dzanu na mini na
maybe
nini.
such things.
Not outshine like,
because ndichivona I thought of like, say in mshumon your manager, like you do something together and then jiggy you want to show everyone I'm the one. No, ungadiva win noitao. Okay, mara unaitao. Kwa mroita as a team, don't try to be kana if mtu wako bareli nyazwana meetings ya buya chikwa chisi chabva
kana ndapedzera manager nga sentence zvangabone abadibura kuitani. Yeah, that's
yeah, such things. So you believed it. And then the other one would be, what is it, the second one? Don't trust friends. Don't trust friends, use enemies.
Don't trust friends, use enemies.
Yeah.
Ukufimini totonda Venda.
Nati kuti yotemba ini uri ndinganyichita zvitu, but then I'd rather use my enemies. Like the video I sent you.
Which one? You sent me a lot of videos.
The one I sent you today. Yo. To feel the enemy. The good dear ball. Venda wachatsiwa man. Last time I chances na urasta. Na kasho. Yo. Ngwana na ingwe. Wa chance la mtu kana.
Mara sinoita uti video.
Marugo. Nendo buzofindo yo post wangaye ti ndinyi we kadwe mama.
Yo post
wangaye ti because ndo sendwa link. Ndachiklika link aitendi ngori mini neti na chomedzo dzojena ngakai. Yes, that's so
funny word.
I know. Yeah, so I'm like, wait, ukoita mina kufuna ini no kwatisa watu vavatu vonani mufumakazi watu vakulira apo no. Ndarisenda link ya mufumakazi ndibona. Then unsendelo la mtukana. I'm like, oh, achita link is it enter video ndarecorda ndoirikade screen record. Aton download it yon. Then I won. That's when I decided to send it to you. I'm like, oh, why mufumakazi bona vari mini ngarini. She was angry, man, that lady.
Shame. Anyways,
so it's
don't
more like,
trust your friends, but trust your enemies.
More like, I'm just trying to
Mara
think
enemies is also ungana bato fe batu banda, not uri enemies. Enemies
yeah,
is
Mara
crazy.
Enemies is like batu banda.
No, enemies.
The one that you can never think of. Maybe that's what it's trying to say.
Are we referring to maybe like for services as a service provider, or if you want help with anything?
Most probably if you want help with anything.
I don't know.
It's easy. And then that often send any 500 is a lot, no ways. That penny 10 rand. I'm trying to do something. Any to you like tango paying a 10 rand. Maranda with the mom to store child can go to my 10 rand go to it as well, so on. Mom for trying to or no down better chair.
To me, it's the other way around.
Bra, then I don't
know 5 rand.
Hey, I'm supposed to act as a friend.
Okay, Mara, that's just one in whatever. But what I'm saying now is
loss are made from one incident.
Those are people who they hardly you guys hardly ask for money ever. So now kumbena ndito for serious. Tingas for niko joke. I know it's serious because why would you talk to me about money ever?
Because okay, what do you think of people in Chomela Chediti? Like you have to explain now the whole thing. All those things.
I don't have people like that because no matter what we're seeing. I don't ever have to say my mom doesn't have whatever.
So
that's it.
If you're not in our and then you have to get to that point. You're serious.
You pay school fees. Valid. Yeah. Okay, did off vega, nigga did off. I have no problem.
I'm gonna know that
I have fun. I'm gonna unemployed. It's chilled.
Yeah.
But then I'm just saying that if it ever gets to that point, I don't get it because we first already don't trust friends.
Oh, I better don't friends.
Like not fully, right? Hey, it's crazy. You never know zvinokuita kamumbura wamuntu.
Yeah.
Ne? When you lose friends, you see, okay, you don't have friends to lose.
Yeah.
So you're the worst person to have this conversation with. So
for that you
don't have friends.
But I have people that give me money.
No, your brain. Baba don't a favor. You don't have friends.
Okay.
Really, they just know you. They like you because you have a podcast. They're not your friends. Unikomuva. Unimzano like steak.
As you take. No, that is steak. I voice note.
Ndina jealous ndichinsinira voice note ndari.
Donate.
Fuck off. Ndari namba zavezo sina.
Nina mbilu ntsuwapfa.
Ani has to reach the gold reef ngantani achibright the name up.
Ndidoda. Riko high cutting asiredi. So I don't know.
Oh no.
What did they be?
Okay, but we could. Why not? And away they kupunguzea kan? No, but it's Tanga. It's not as bad. West. You lie.
Yeah. Okay. Last one. Always mask your intentions. What do you think of that?
Always do what? Mask
your intentions.
So you got your Zumba intentions.
I don't know how I'll put this.
Work, friends, family.
Hey, work.
Work, definitely.
Yeah. But I'm sure
and then this remember we were chatting to
Mangana namsewa kwamba oh like nyambona zvine Kingsley vazonorio atova millionaire mndari statement chikotoda minchora atova guys I'm a millionaire yamudipedza zo conversation
then ndiyafuna kubonyana abantu and then enjoy. Don't you think it's fun
to leave
lying. People
I
love leaving people with and
nebra I'm lying in every conversation at work.
You know what I said? And the other one looked at me, she's like, oh, that's not a nice thing to say. I love the look on
the masters. I'm like, how come me? Oh, you got a master say, I mean, a strong how you need a master say, I mean, veteran. Daria, no genuinity. Half Marito, that's 75% average. Like, Daria, we were in Ion. I just think that like, straight face. Hella chance says, I'm like,
and you know what it does? Aura.
Yeah.
And now they can't just say what they want to say.
What doesn't in average 75%.
Standard.
But they weren't in a million and the day.
Yes.
It's also tells you.
So she should the Fangabeu. Nazure, I shall not get into the Ramakurang as the Bongabeu. I am the girl I think I am.
Why is your podcast in Venda? Remember, guys, I'm not doing this for the views and all that. It's just for my people and at home.
They say, what about the vlog? Yeah, yo, come to Monanga take him. And I'm like, guys, I need this money as much as you do. Trust me. But we really do need it. Maraji, guys, depending aura. Nisongotenda nisongochimbura apologetic nisongochimbura ngodipfera butungu no
should have seen the look in their face ndishamba za 75% elando ripfana nori yafono rwali zvipi.
My boss was telling me ndiko jena namsingabachoni vari I literally knew that was you but why bodzana vamungana vamukara vari no funny enough ndidiva walk the watu vaviri office and you are part of them because even how you step in, guys, this is what the guys. And it has nothing. It doesn't need money. Uchimbira confidently. You don't have to have
money
it.
Will come.
Whether
guys.
You've got makeup on or not. I already know tamba, and you smell good, and you know nobody can tell you anything. It'll get you into rooms zine.
Yes,
exactly, guys. Even sure.
Confidence.
Be sure.
Nah, it has nothing to do
with dressing up every day. Dress up every day like it's a special occasion.
Being alive is the occasion.
Being alive is the occasion.
See you on the next
every
one.
Single breath.
Wait,
to my name. Apparently, every single breath you take, so imagine karano today I'm not in the mood. Don't ever be caught sleeping.
Anyway.
We are all gonna die. Murova ashu ndichikofunza ufunza ninga ndikwana ti ndomba magarufu.
Don't so ngamo ndifunze. Then noskontrabedisa.
Nikonofunza man. Mara no rabela nyana man. Ndozama.
No, ufunza.
Mara ndiko makata ya ashu ine writer ya phone.
Hey, nantine nelebe ya phone ya wangana.
Okay, namso rabela yin.
Ukurabela fistos no muzi.
Hey, ni dori oh.
Namso dola fistos.
Aba movie.
What? Parto. Ini mara emnaruko vara why not one? Ngunyaza panda ti.
Sorry.
Panda wanyadze. Uyotuma unyoji antu. Mpo unyoji amaginyo zinoko nyadze na studio chawe. See you in the next one, guys. This episode this is ka MR 21 mera sa insurance. Ni phone ka nomboro zenza makhabena. Ni understand chimwe na chimwe. Ndo ni like clip which bangwa chiro. Ile ndari ya watori ya. Shumana bana zwi. Ndo dipanga zwithuli. Ndo dipanga mashi. Ndo dzijenza ka zwimwe zwithu.
Ndi kuzori vuna heshena.
Trafia. Abana thi bompanga zwithuli. So, yeah. Bena ndene panda viwe ni mafonele ni makwame. And then Panda Studios 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com and then shoot. Why shoot anytime, guys? What time is it? 9?
It's 9.
Yeah, 9 o'clock. So, I'll see you on the next one.
OOTD.
Arita.
OODD.